Marselino! Marselino! Have you seen Marselino, brother?
No, but at this hour, I'm sure he's not far from the kitchen.
Brother Pap, can I please take one of these?
What's the matter, Marselino? Are you hungry?
No, it's for the man in the attic, to give him something to eat.
You're playing make-believe again. But what are you doing with that jug? Little kids can't drink a wine.
He has to drink something to help wash down the bread.
Come on, put that back and go and play while I finish cooking lunch.
Finally, there you are, Marselino. I was looking for you to ask for some help fixing the hen house.
Brother, you don't really want to make the child work on a beautiful day like this?
Well, I only wanted to teach him the art of carpentry.
Go out and play, Marselino. You only have your youth for a day.
The temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Storms in the south, showers in the north, mist in the west, and by the smell, it's breakfast time at the Duke of Must's mansion.
Your food, Your Excellency.
Silence, Pierre! How many times have I told you not to talk to me while I'm listening to opera music?
Yes, forgive me, Your Excellency.
What is this?
Is something wrong, sir?
I'm sick and tired of eating chicken and potatoes. What I want is little birds.
We're all out, Your Excellency, but don't worry. Lucas the hunter promised to bring us some more this evening.
He did he? Well, he'd better. You know, fried little birds are my favorite breakfast dish.
Go ahead, fly away. I'll get you later.
Hi, Brother Bird.
Hello, Marselino. You look a little bored.
Yeah, a little. What's wrong with all the little birds?
I don't know. They've been a bit disturbed all morning. Now, where did I leave that basket?
Huh? Oh? Ah!
What are you doing, silly boy? Leave the basket where it was.
You're the silly one trying to hide under that.
Shh.
Oh,
Shh. Don't talk so loud. Wait a minute. You understood me.
of course. I can talk to all the forest animals.
Well, marvelous. What a clever boy. And just where did you learn to speak our language? No other human knows.
I don't know. I've just always understood it. But since I don't even know where I was born...
How interesting. Well, I know somebody who just might be able to give you that information.
Oh, yeah? Who?
Nurse, the stork who lives on top of the bell tower. All you have to do is go up there and ask her about it.
It's kind of high.
Nah, that's nothing but a little stroll for a boy as clever and brave as you are.
You're right. I'll go up. Thanks for helping me, pal.
No problem. It's been a pleasure. Now the coast is clear for me to go about my business. Another day, another egg. Ho, ho, ho! I'm going to need the basket for all of this.
Tata, there are some delicious berries down by the river. Do you want to come with us? I'll be right there. Wait up! I still think this is sort of high. Well, like Brother Proverb says, he who wants fruit must climb the tree. Now, how do I get up there? Let's see if this... Oh, I'll have to be more careful. I'm almost there.
Hey! Who are you? Whoa! What are you doing? Watch my eggs! Out! Out! Get out of my nest or I'll pick you!
Wait, don't be afraid. I'm Marselino. I'm not going to hurt you.
Good for you. But how did you understand me?
I don't know, but they told me you could tell me where I come from.
No, certainly. I'm the one in charge of delivering the children in this area.
And?
Well, really, I only deliver children from good families who come directly from town, and the truth is, I don't remember you.
Oh, darn. So I'll never get to know where I was born.
Don't be discouraged. I've heard that the children from the most modest of families, although I don't believe in class separation, tend to appear in vegetable gardens underneath the cabbages. No, it's 12 o'clock. Hang on wherever you can and be careful, but don't touch my eggs.
Why? What's going on? Brother Ding Dong!
Darn bells, I'd better hurry.
Marselino, I need help.
Me too! Help!
Detox is true. Marselino needs help. Help!
Marselino!
Huh?
What's going on out there, brothers?
I don't know, Father Prior. It must be Marselino getting up to his mischief again.
It must be more than mischief. Brother Leo only barks like that when he's scared.
Help, brothers! Help!
A word to the wise is all it takes.
Marselino! Don't worry, I'll try to reach you.
Don't do that, brother. It's dangerous.
Let's get the straw cart and put it underneath.
Good idea.
Rufus, what are you doing here?
Well, I was just rocking these little things to sleep. Well, it looks like they aren't tired anymore.
Leo, help us! I don't have time to deal with you right now, so I'll let you slide.
Certainly, of course. Do whatever you have to do. I was just about to go anyway. You're safe now, Marselino.
Hurry, hurry!
All's well that ends well.
Now it's your turn, Tata. What's wrong?
My friends are in danger! Quick, follow me!
Come on, Leo.
But where is that boy going?
What happened?
Is anyone there? Is anyone in there?
But what are you looking for?
Nurse told me that some children are born in the cabbages, and I wanted to see if it was true.
That nut's got her head in the clouds.
What are you doing? My friends need your help!
Oh, come on, Marselino. Stop this nonsense already.
You're right. We're coming, Tata.
What's this?
Quick, follow me! Marselino!
One more.
Hey, you! Let go of my friend!
Mind your own business, snot-nose. Keep that dog back or I'll shoot it.
No, I've got him.
Very good, boy. Now stay put and don't even think about following me.
What's wrong with you guys? Why the long faces?
Lucas the hunter trapped Tata and was just about to shoot me if it hadn't been for Marselino.
But why? What does he want with those little birds?
He'll take them to the Duke. They're his favorite breakfast dish.
If I hadn't been such a coward when I saw the shotgun, I could have saved them.
That's not true, Marselino. You were very brave to defend Leo like that.
But we have to do something, Candela.
You can't always get what you want, Marselino. You're only a little boy, and that man has a gun.
Let's go, Marselino.
It looks like you have work to do. Don't worry, I'll watch out for him.
Go, go! It's 8 o'clock in the evening. The temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. We can expect clear skies and cats on the prowl throughout the night. I rectify. In the morning, we can expect cats splattered on the ground. A visitor for the Duke, Lucas the Hunter, is arriving with a sack full of little birds.
Little birds.
Delicious. Delicious. Blasted, will you ever stop bothering me?
Forgive me, Your Excellency. It's just that Mr. Lucas has arrived with the little birds.
You see, sir, I told you that you would have the little bird for your breakfast tomorrow.
Very well, Master Germ. I want those fried birds first thing tomorrow morning.
As you say, Your Excellency. First thing tomorrow morning. As if I didn't have anything else to do. His Excellency would like fried little birds for his breakfast.
How adorable! He's like a naughty little boy.
Yes, just like a naughty, spoiled, foolish, heartless little boy.
Hey, cook, it's gotten a little bit late for me to head back home. Do you think you could give me some dinner and somewhere to sleep?
Yes, of course. You can sit down on the servants' dining room. Louisa, can you prepare something for Mr. Lucas?
Just what I needed. It's really getting hot in here. Oh!
You can't always get what you want, Marselino.
Yes, I can. You'll see.
I knew you wouldn't give up that easily, Marselino.
It looks like someone is coming. Wait a minute. What's this? A shadow? But whose? That darn Lula. Someday I'm going to get even with you.
It hasn't been too difficult so far. What do I do now? I know.
It's Marselino!
Tata?
Marselino! Over here!
Tata!
Get us out of this cage, Marselino!
I'm coming. Stop chirping so much. Oh, I can't reach. It's too high. I've got to find something to stand on. These stools will work.
This could be trouble.
Almost there. There it is.
What's going on here?
Finally.
You again, you little snot nose.
Lucas!
I told you not to bother me. I'm gonna teach you to mind grown-ups.
Hurry, little friends, get out of here!
Come back here!
I can't get through.
Marselino needs help!
Come on, come on! Thanks for saving me, Tata.
Thank you, Marselino! Without your help, we would have been the Duke's breakfast tomorrow morning.
It's the least I could have done for a friend.
I must be seeing things. Shadows that walk alone, boys that fly. Something strange is going on around here.
Piero! What sort of disgrace is going on around here?
I don't know, Your Excellency.
Sir, the little birds have disappeared from the kitchen.
What? My little bird? You stupid. Where's Lucas?
He disappeared with the birds, Your Excellency.
Sabotage! Conspiracy! You're through, Lucas.
You're amazing, Marselino. You hardly needed my help at all. Good for you.
Oh, boy!
A wondrous legend predicted every 1,000 moons. A child with magic the steps of our monastery out in the cold. His name is Marselino Hleb. He's a marvel, Marselino, full of magic, fun and courage. He's a real hero. His name is Marselino Hleb. Wise and brave is Marselino. All the animals, birds and people love him so. Blossoming